Okay. This is 23rd now. Yeah. Okay. So कल हम लोग देख रहे थे, we stopped at a point where we were just trying to uh, figure out how to solve problems or how to solve programs where there is a possibility of more than one outcome. है ना, जैसे कि if user gives you two numbers and then you have to find out which one is the greater number. We stopped at that point. So we just concluded with the word that yes, in such cases where more than one outcomes are possible in the program, and that will depend on what type of input the user will provide. In such cases, we use a statement, a type of flow control statement known as if statement. ठीक है, तो and we also saw that कि if statements are of three types. ठीक है, इसी point पे we ended yesterday. But before we take up that topic, let's learn about one more type of operator today. ठीक है, एक और ऑपरेटर के बारे में आज हम लोग देख लेते हैं. Okay, a very small topic, 5 minutes it will take. Okay, so how many operators have been seen so far?
Sir, 4.
4. कौन सा है?
Many, sir.
Many.
13, sir.
Give me the generic types. मतलब category का नाम बताओ. Don't name one by one.
Arithmetic,
logical, rational.
हाँ. क्या देखे थे हम लोग? Arithmetic. Arithmetic. Comparison जिसको कि हम लोग comparison और relational, इसको relational भी बोलते हैं. And और तो कुछ नहीं देखा है. One more we have seen, assignment. Which one is that?
equal to.
Equal to. ठीक है, ये जो equal to वाला ऑपरेटर होता है. अरिथमेटिक में तुम्हारा प्लस, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, normal division, integer division या quotient वाला find करने हैं. In order to find quotient you use this, or remainder. Exponentiation. इसमें greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equals to, not equals to, and comparison वाला equal to. ठीक है, this is assignment equal to, and this is double equal to will be for comparison. Okay, today we'll be next 5-10 minutes or 15 minutes we'll be taking one topic known as logical operators. Okay, so there are three types of logical operators. These are and, or, and not. Okay, so we have and, or, everything in lowercase, and not. Okay. Right. So remember इसमें क्या होगा? I hope I have started the recording, right? Yeah. See, logical operator will be formed when you add two types of, or rather two comparison or relational operators. उसको use करके, when multiple comparison or relational operators are there, then logical operator will be formed. Like, example, 5 is greater than 2 and, okay, 8 is less than 17. So can you see here two relational operators are there or two comparison operators are there. This is relational operator and this is again another relational operator. Okay, so we can say that when two or more relational operators are combined using and or and not, rather either one of these, okay, we get a result as either, कैसा मिलेगा रिजल्ट?
True or false?
True or false. Okay, so what are logical operators? What are examples of logical operators? And, or, and not. An answer will always be in true or false, final answer. Okay, इसका भी आंसर ट्रू या false ही आएगा. So what is the final answer in case of relational operators?
True or false?
In that case also answer will be in Boolean data type. Here also the answer will be in Boolean data type, which will be either true or false. तो अब हम लोग कुछ,
Sir, is space required
where,
between the two relational operators and?
हाँ दे दो, space तो हरदम दो. It increases the readability. Though without that also it will work, but you should give. Okay. अब कुछ हम लोग इसमें कुछ ये देखते हैं. How we solve the problem using, मान लो तुम्हारा and logical operator. Logical operator. Okay. So
Just 1 minute. Can I go to the previous page?
yeah. So you can see logical operators are used where on both the sides you should be having, generally we have relational operators or Boolean data types. Relational operators or Boolean types.
Sir, we don't use symbols here.
Symbols like
for not, we didn't.
जावा से कंफ्यूज मत करो. डबल एम्परसैंड और वो सबसे वो जो पैरेलल लाइंस हैं उनसे कंफ्यूज मत करो. we don't use those symbols here.
No, sir, for not, because we are using in relational operator. No, here.
Not equal
That
to होता है relational operators में. Okay. I said कि we will see not in some other operators in different way. कल मैंने बोला था ना कि not इसमें नहीं होगा. So not will be used in logical operators, but we will not write exclamation mark. Okay. There is no such symbol as simple exclamation mark which will stand for not. Okay. Either you
yes.
have not equal to like this, or you have not not for logical operators. Okay. Aditya, you are asking, is Boolean not sub part of an operator? Boolean तो operator है ही नहीं. It is a data type. Remember yesterday we saw that we have so far seen four data types. Okay, one is integer, another is float, third is string, fourth is Boolean. Okay, so it's not an operator. Operator is something which performs operations on some operation on operands or some expressions. ठीक है, तो इसमें भी वही होता है. These are operators, and Boolean does not operate on something. It is the final value that you get after evaluating an expression involving operators and operands. Okay. देखो एक और चीज लिख देता हूं. How expressions involving logical operators are solved. Okay. So क्या होगा? Logical what is the operator for not equal to? वो तो बताया था ना, exclamation mark and equal to. Sorry, this one. There is nothing like not equal to here in logical operators. And not equal to, for comparison, you have exclamation mark followed by equal to. Okay. So logical operator 1. Okay, and then you will be having here, sorry, not logical operator. Relational operator 1, then logical operator, and then relational operator 2. Okay, तो इस तरह के केसेस होंगे. Right. So how do you solve it? देखो ये देख रहे हो ना, relational operator 1, relational operator 2, and in between you will be having what you say is logical operators. So we have seen that operators will only operate when on both the side operands are there and not expressions themselves. ठीक है. So ये जो है इसको हमें both the sides we have relational operators. We will be solving these relational operators first separately, and will finally arrive at either true or false on both the sides. Okay. तो हमें पहले first what we have to do in order to find the result of the whole expression, what we will do is step 1 will be step 1, solve separately the relational operators involved in the expression. Okay. Step 2, expression to obtain either true or false. Because the moment you will solve any relational operator, you will either get Boolean type, that is true or false. Then get the answer, get the final answer based on following chart or based on following table. Okay, वो टेबल क्या है? Table will be like okay. आदित्य तुम बहुत ज्यादा एक्सप्लोर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, इट्स नॉट दैट थिंग, ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा सा रुक जाओ. इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ ट्रूथ टेबल बट नॉट एग्जैक्टली, ठीक है. दिस इज relational operator 1, relational operator 2, okay, and in the middle you have and. Okay, अगर ये logical operator में and है, on one side there is relational operator 1 and relational operator 2, okay, then you will have answer, your result. अच्छा, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कहाँ पढ़ लिया?
Sir, like when I was developing the project
अच्छा,
that
प्रोजेक्ट,
time.
ठीक है, then it is okay, मतलब okay, fine, no worries, we will study those truth tables and all, we will study. Okay, so let's say relational operator का first का answer is true and second is in false, and we are solving this for and logical operator. Okay, so let's say first is true, second is false, answer will be false. Then you have false, here you have true, you have again the answer will be false. Here you have false, here you have false, again answer will be false. If you have true, second relational operator is also true, okay, and then answer will be true.
Sir, this table will be
just a minute,
fixed,
all the
right?
expressions with, tell me.
Sir, this table is fixed, right?
Yeah, It's always ये कभी change नहीं करेगा. This will be fixed. Okay. Now, for example, now let us try to solve. Now you tell me, if I give you 3 is greater than 2 and minus 5 is greater than 7, what will be the answer of this? What will you say?
False.
कैसे?
False.
This is
एक
True, second is
दूसरा
false.
false.
this is RO1. Okay, fine. देखते हैं. This is expression involving relational operator 1. तो इसको RO1 लिखेंगे. RO1 means relation. लिख देता हूँ साइड में. RO1 expression involving relational operator. Okay, 1. Similarly, RO2 भी होगा. Expression with relational operator 2. Okay, so this is RO1, expression involving relational operator 1, and this is second expression, expression 2 with relational operator. इसका आंसर क्या होगा if you solve separately? This will give you 3 is greater than 2. तो true होगा या false होगा?
True.
If
True होगा.
true, the answer is true. And then this is
False.
false. Okay. Now the expression will be internally reduced to
False.
False.
ऐसे. Expression will be internally reduced to true and false. अब ये टेबल में देखो, जब t first is t and second is f, like that is first is true and second is false, then result is false. Okay. Did you understand? Are you getting how to solve this whenever logical operators are there? That means on both the sides of side of logical operator, answer ultimately will be true only when on both the sides of this logical operator the relational expressions involving relational operators result in true. ठीक है? Another example हम लोग लेंगे. Okay. Now you tell me here. 25 is less than equals to 39 and 20 or rather 2 is greater than minus 8. What will be the answer of this?
True.
True, sir.
हाँ,
True, sir.
क्यों? इसका आंसर तुम्हारा क्या आएगा?
True.
True. And this will result in
True.
true. This will internally the entire expression will be will give you true and true. Okay. And then हम लोग देखे थे, we saw when both the sides of and is true and true, then result is true. Okay. Right. Now we will come to for solving expressions with or logical operator. ओके, तो इसमें स्टेप 1 सेम एज एंड लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर। मतलब क्या, उसमें भी तुम्हें पहले बोथ द साइड एक्सप्रेशंस इन्वॉल्विंग तुम्हारा जो रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर्स है उसको सॉल्व कर लो, सेम एज एंड लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर। ओके, एंड स्टेप 2 will be final answer will be as per following table. Okay, so final answer will be as per following table. तो वो टेबल कैसा होगा तुम्हारा? सेम okay. Here you will have, this is OR logical operator. Okay, this is RO1 expression involving relational operator 1. This is RO2 expression involving relational operator 2, and then this will be result. Okay, so here when first expression, that is this side, is false and second is also false, answer will be false. Okay, when first is true or left side is true, right side is false, answer will be true. Third is when first left side is false and right side, that is RO2, is true, answer will again be true. And if both the statements or both the expressions involving relational operators are true, answer will be true. Okay, तो इसमें याद रखना है जब और वाला होगा उसमें answer will always be true. Answer will be true if either one of them at least is true. कोई एक भी true हो गया तो answer true हो जाएगा. Even if both are true or any one of them are true, answer will be true. Or if both are false, then only the answer will be false. और में ये क्या था? And में till the time both are true, ठीक है, answer will not be true. ठीक है, तो इसका बोल सकते हो इसका रिजल्ट इसका ऑपोजिट होता है, सॉर्ट ऑफ. ओके, सो इट इज जस्ट लाइक मल्टीप्लीकेशन. याद रखना, इसको 1 इमेजिन कर लो, इसको 0 इमेजिन कर लो, ठीक है. 1 फॉर ट्रू एंड 0 फॉर फॉल्स. तो 1 into 0 is 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, 0 multiplied by 1 is 0, 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So this is just like multiplication, like multiplication. Where true is 1 and false is 0. देख लो, यहां 1 डालोगे, यहां 0 डालोगे, मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 0 आएगा, विच इज फॉल्स. ठीक है, जब तक दोनों 1 नहीं हो जाएगा, टिल द टाइम बोथ द नंबर्स आर 1, तुम्हें 1 नहीं मिलेगा. सिमिलरली इन द नेक्स्ट, Here, this is like addition. Addition with true as 1 and false as 0. देख लो, if either one of them is 1 तो तुमको 1 मिल जाएगा, ठीक है, मतलब 0 नहीं आना चाहिए आंसर, in which case you will get as 0. तो सॉर्ट ऑफ ये याद रखने का तरीका है, इट्स नथिंग लाइक रूल, पर हाँ, तो 0 प्लस 0 के केस में ही 0 आएगा which will be false. In all other case 1 हो 2 हो आंसर will be true. Okay, क्लियर है? नाउ टेल मी द, ये कुछ एग्जांपल्स लिख रहा हूं. एग्जांपल 1, -5 less than -9 or 17 greater than -20. Second is -20 greater than 5 or 5 less than equal to 5. क्या होगा दोनों में आंसर? Yes.
So first one will be true.
First one is true.
First one is true. And second one?
True, sir.
True.
True, sir.
चलो देखते हैं. Okay. So this will result in -5 is less than -9. Is it true or false?
False, sir.
False.
-5 is greater.
Yeah. And this is 17 is true. Then ultimately this will be internally replaced as the first and the second expressions, RO1 and RO2. वो तुम्हारा कैसा आ जाएगा? False or true, which will give you, देखो false और true के केस में true मिलता है, answer will be true. Here this will be -20 is greater than 5. ये क्या है?
False, sir.
Again same case हो गया ये. And this is again true. तो फिर वही मिल गया तुम्हें, false और true. Okay. Now next page में एक और देख लो. मान लो 7 is greater than 20 or 55 is greater than 100.
False, sir.
False.
इसका
False.
क्या होगा? Here. This is false. This is false. Answer will be, यहाँ पे internally it will be replaced by false or false. So हम देखे थे, जब दोनों तरफ false हो, false and false, you will get false. Okay? And one एक और example ले लेते हैं. Let's say 9 is less than equal to 9 or -100 is greater than -200. क्या होगा इसमें?
True, sir.
True, sir.
Answer will be true or true. Ankit, what you are saying is, can you give me some example? जो दिमाग में expression आ रहा, whatever you are thinking. I'm not exactly able to figure out.
Like square root of 2 is less than square root of 4, or like that.
Just a minute. So you are saying something like, नहीं, you are saying कि square root of 25 or square root of 4, something like this.
No, sir. Square root of 25 is less than square root of 4, or square root of 16 is less than square root of 2, like that.
So, अच्छा. You mean 25 is less than square root of 4 or square root of, हाँ ये हो जाएगा ना. सी, ये दोनों को सॉल्व करके तुमको कुछ आंसर मिलेगा, ट्रू या फॉल्स. एंड और के बाद फिर इधर भी कुछ जो लिखोगे उसको भी सॉल्व करके आंसर मिलेगा. Whenever this comes, this is an expression involving logical ये relational operator. तो जहां भी relational operator है उसके दोनों तरफ या तो there is one normal number or any way something which will evaluate to a number, तब तो वो तो that will answer will be either in true or false, and then तो फिर this will work. Of course it will work. Okay. केवल all that is required is on both the side of and or you should get what is known as either true or false. उसके बाद तो फिर ये just follow this chart. ठीक है, उस तरह से आंसर आ जाएगा तुम्हारा. Now finally is one last, in 2 minutes we'll end up. Solving with not logical operator. ये तो सबसे आसान है, easiest of all. Okay. इसका कुछ ऐसा होता है सिंटेक्स. देखो इसमें this, इसका आंसर है सिंपली नहीं. स्ट्रिंग्स पे कैसे करोगे? स्ट्रिंग में भी हो जाएगा, बट या अंकित, इट इज पॉसिबल इन स्ट्रिंग्स, बट हाउ टू कंपेयर स्ट्रिंग्स वो हम लोग देखेंगे बाद में. जस्ट फॉर नाउ आई जस्ट गिव यू अ हिंट. हाई सिंगल इक्वल टू नहीं दे सकते हो, हाई डबल इक्वल टू आएगा. इवन स्ट्रिंग में भी यू कैन कंपेयर हाई इज ग्रेटर देन हेलो और हाई इज लेस देन हेलो. I'll tell you how smaller and bigger numbers are compared in strings. It is compared in dictionary order. Imagine करो कि अगर high पहले आएगा डिक्शनरी में या hello पहले आएगा. Which one will come first in the dictionary? High or hello?
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello पहले आएगा तो hello will be smaller than high. Okay. So उस तरह करके उसका भी true and false का आंसर आ जाएगा. So yes, in case of strings also this will work the same. Okay. Whichever will come in the dictionary first will be considered smaller than the other string. So yeah, and Ankit, 2 things to correct, like जो तुम बोल रहे हो ना, उसमें मैं साइड में कर देता हूँ. You can, first of all, you should be in quotes, high as less than hello. So what should be the answer? Which comes in dictionary first?
Hello comes first.
Hello.
So and in dictionary whichever comes first is smaller.
So it's false, sir.
इलाम रुक जाओ, एकदम बहुत गलत काम कर रहे हो ये. ठीक है, go with me. हाँ, so hello will come first. Though he is correct, but maybe he has studied तो वो आंसर बता रहा है तुम्हें. But don't worry, we'll learn what is ASCII and actually the answer is कि ASCII value से ही compare होता है. But for now just imagine कि dictionary में जो पहले आएगा that will be smaller and whatever comes in dictionary later वो तुम्हारा that will be bigger. So here hello will come first. So hello is smaller. So smaller thing cannot be greater than the greater number. So इसका नहीं मैं सॉरी के लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. आई एम नॉट स्कोल्डिंग या कुछ ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. आई एम सिंपली सेइंग कि अदर्स विल गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. आई नो कि यू हैव कवर्ड दैट इन जावा. ठीक है. हाँ, जस्ट कीप इट टू योरसेल्फ. नहीं तो बाकी लोग देखने लगते हैं कि क्या बोल दिया. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर सर. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर मतलब क्या? जो पहले आएगा डिक्शनरी में दैट विल बी स्मॉलर. जो एनीथिंग दैट विल बी कमिंग लेटर इन द डिक्शनरी दैट विल बी ग्रेटर. ठीक है. नहीं अरे वो तुम कुछ ज्यादा कंफ्यूज कर गए हो. दैट इज अ शॉर्ट फॉर्म फॉर अमेरिकन स्टैंडर्ड कोड फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन इंटरचेंज. बट डू नॉट गो एंड लुक इनटू दिस. वी विल डील विथ इट एक्सटेंसिवली. ठीक है. वो जाके गूगल पे नहीं सर्च करना है. यू विल बी डिगिंग अप योर ग्रेव. वो करिकुलम का ग्रेव. ठीक है. बड़ी हो जाएगा कंप्यूटर साइंस उसमें. तो वो काम नहीं करना है इसमें. नाउ विल कम बैक टू दैट कि yeah, this will also work in case of strings, so that is applicable. Okay, of course this is a rough section. Simply reverse the result of the expression involving relational operator. Okay, so देखो so for example, let's say if I ask you 5 is greater than 3, what will be the answer?
True.
True.
True, sir.
इसके पहले मैं अगर नॉट लगा दूं ब्रैकेट देके तो whatever is coming inside उसको रिवर्स कर देंगे हम लोग. सो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा this will result in true. So this expression will finally internally replaced as not true, which will be false. So not जिसके भी पहले लगा है ना, forget as if कि not is there. ठीक है. not को भूल जाओ, एक्सप्रेशन को पूरा सॉल्व कर लो. ठीक है. and whatever you are getting just reverse it, you will get the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
एक और देख लेते हैं. Not 3 is greater than 5 or -2 is -2 is greater than 7. What will be the answer? Yeah, Ankit, it is different than the other two. It is simply acting as a reversing.
Sir?
Hmm.
So what is written after 3 is greater than
15.
Sir, true.
True, sir.
पहले not को भूल जाओ. Forget about not. Simply solve this. If you solve this, here answer will be true. Here, answer will be
False.
false. Here answer will be false. False or false will give you देखो false or false give you false. So this will be internally reduced to not false or false. This will be finally giving you not false. So finally you will get
Sir,
a,
in exam you have to directly write the answer.
in exam.
We have to write these steps so we can
No,
directly
no,
write.
no, 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 no. ये
the
एकदम
answer.
नहीं करना है. Why I have taught you this very in a detailed manner so that we can start with if else. ठीक है, उसमें काम आएगा ये.
Sir,
Yeah.
the answer is coming true, but it's not true, no, sir.
Why?
3 is not greater than 15.
Not very.
3 is greater than. अरे नॉट लगा हुआ है ना पहले. होल एक्सप्रेशन के पहले नॉट है. Don't try to come out with the meaning. अपने कॉमन सेंस से just follow the rule. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just follow the rule. Don't try to use your common sense here. कि वो 3 is not greater तो true कैसे आ गया? उसके पूरे के पहले not बोल दिए हैं. Okay, so just follow the steps. You will get the answer. Okay, चलो we have already exceeded 5 minutes. We'll meet क्या है? Last period या second last?
Second last.
Second last.
Second last.
ठीक है चलो second last period we will meet.
Sir,
Okay.
attendance.
हाँ, I'll take it. Even if you leave, attendance will record your presence, so that's not an issue. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.